Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can make a group chat on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to make a group chat on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram app. After opening your Instagram, next, I want you to tap the message icon at the top right corner to open your Instagram chats. So here in the Instagram chats is where you can message with your friends on Instagram, and of course, this is also where you can create your own group chat. So to create your Instagram group chat, first, I want you to tap this icon at the top right corner. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the create group chat option right here, so just go and tap it. And then right here, you can now start selecting all the friends that you want to add to your new group chat. Just search their username so you can find and add them. And once you're done selecting all the friends that you want to be in your group, you can now tap the open group chat button to completely create your group chat. And after that, your group chat will now be created, so you can now enter the group name that you want. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully created your new group chat on Instagram. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.